Hey, you need any help?
No, I'm good. I'm waiting for my wife. She'll be here in a second.
Are you sure you want to do that? I've got this right here.
Oh, what's that?
Oh, well, let me tell you about it. Oh yeah, this is this by Fanttik. This so simple. You don't even have to have your wife show you how to do it. Just put these pieces together. You put red on red, black on black.
Awesome, thanks. That was so easy.
If you want to pick one up, I'll leave it right here in the link below.